of July. Holy cow. They're going off all over the place. Whoa! That was a Roman candle. That was definitely a Roman candle. That was definitely a Roman candle. I'm trying to get all of them. We're trying to let you guys see everything. Whoa! Whoa! See if you look like over there. It sounds like... Doesn't it sound like war out here?
Yeah.
Whoa! Is that another Roman candle? Yeah. That was another Roman candle. Boy. That's a... These are a bunch. This is... fireworks. Happy 4th of July. Boy. Uh-oh, the cops are here, probably. No, they're just going down. They're just going down the El Camino Real. Whoa! 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 They're coming down over there.
Police car.
Whoa! I might not be getting the greatest footage, but this is amazing. Whoa. Oh, shoot. Hi. That was a poppy from earlier. You want to know something cool, guys? That over there, that street right there, that's the El Camino Real. Like the El Camino Real. Nobody. I'm recording a video for YouTube. Nobody. Oh, the police car stopped over there. Police car stopped over there. Can I come down?
Right there.
Wait. Wait.
Somebody's gonna get in trouble.
Whoa. I know it keeps getting all like blurry. Sorry.